The job description of a treasurer outlines the duties of a key financial officer responsible for managing an organization's monetary resources, safeguarding assets, and ensuring that financial operations run smoothly. This role exists in various settings, including corporations, nonprofit organizations, government agencies, and community groups. The treasurer serves as the custodian of funds, oversees budgeting processes, and ensures that the entity remains financially healthy and compliant with relevant laws and regulations. As a senior figure in the financial hierarchy, the treasurer's work directly influences the stability and growth of the organization. Their responsibilities extend beyond simply managing bank accounts. They develop financial strategies, coordinate investments, and assess potential risks that could impact the entity's operations. Because financial integrity is essential for building trust among stakeholders, the treasurer's decisions have long-term implications for the organization's sustainability. The role demands a combination of technical financial expertise, strategic thinking, and ethical decision-making. Treasurers must be detail-oriented yet capable of viewing the broader financial picture, balancing immediate cash flow needs with long-term objectives. Core responsibilities of a treasurer. The treasurer is primarily responsible for managing the organization's cash flow and ensuring that sufficient funds are available to meet operational needs. This involves preparing cash flow forecasts, monitoring daily balances, and authorizing payments in line with approved budgets. They also play a critical role in developing and maintaining the organization's budget. This process includes gathering input from various departments, projecting revenues and expenses, and ensuring that budget allocations align with strategic priorities. In many organizations, treasurers oversee the investment of surplus funds. This may involve placing funds in interest-bearing accounts, purchasing securities, or managing a diversified investment portfolio. The goal is to maximize returns while maintaining an acceptable level of risk. Treasurers are often tasked with monitoring and managing debt. This includes negotiating loan agreements, tracking repayment schedules, and exploring refinancing opportunities when beneficial. Compliance is another vital responsibility. Treasurers ensure that all financial practices meet legal and regulatory standards, from tax reporting to financial disclosures. In the non-profit sector, this might include ensuring funds are spent according to donor restrictions. They prepare detailed financial reports for senior management, the board of directors, or members of the organization. These reports provide transparency, help track performance against the budget, and inform decision-making. Skills and qualities required for the role. A treasurer must possess strong analytical skills to interpret financial data and assess the organization's fiscal health. The ability to identify trends, foresee potential issues, and recommend solutions is essential. Attention to detail is critical, as even small errors can lead to significant financial consequences. Treasurers must review figures meticulously and ensure that all records are accurate and up to date. Ethical integrity is a cornerstone of the position. Because treasurers handle sensitive financial information and control significant resources, they must act with honesty, transparency, and accountability at all times. Effective communication skills are necessary to explain complex financial matters to individuals who may not have a financial background. This includes board members, department heads, or community stakeholders. Strong organizational skills enable treasurers to manage multiple financial processes simultaneously, from payroll to audits, without compromising quality. Proficiency in financial software, spreadsheets, and accounting systems is also essential for maintaining efficiency and accuracy in daily operations. Work environment and challenges. The work environment of a treasurer depends on the nature of the organization. In corporate settings, treasurers often operate in formal office spaces and collaborate closely with finance teams, executives, and external auditors. In smaller nonprofits or community organizations, the treasurer may work on a volunteer basis, often from home or in shared spaces, with fewer resources but equally important responsibilities. One of the key challenges for a treasurer is managing uncertainty. Economic fluctuations, market volatility, or unexpected expenses can all impact financial stability. Treasurers must be prepared to adjust budgets, shift investment strategies, and find cost-saving measures when necessary. Another challenge is balancing competing priorities. For example, an organization might want to invest heavily in growth while also maintaining a strong reserve fund. The treasurer must find a path that supports both goals without jeopardizing financial security. By the midpoint of understanding this role, it is clear that the job description of a treasurer centers on safeguarding resources, ensuring compliance, and supporting long-term organizational success through sound financial management. Educational requirements and training. Most treasurer positions require at least a bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, economics, or a related field. For larger organizations, a master's degree in business administration, MBA, or a professional accounting qualification, such as Certified Public Accountant, CPA, or Chartered Accountant, CA, may be preferred. In addition to formal education, practical experience in finance or accounting is highly valuable. This might include prior roles as a financial analyst, accountant, or controller. Treasurers must stay informed about changes in tax laws, financial regulations, and investment trends. Ongoing professional development, including attending seminars, workshops, and industry conferences, helps maintain the necessary expertise. Importance of strategic thinking and risk management. A treasurer is not just a record keeper. They are a strategic partner in guiding the organization's future. This means identifying opportunities for growth, advising on capital expenditures, and assessing financial feasibility for new initiatives. Risk management is a key part of the treasurer's role. They must anticipate potential financial threats, from currency fluctuations to changes in interest rates, and develop strategies to mitigate them. For example, they might use hedging techniques to protect against market volatility or negotiate insurance policies to safeguard assets. Their strategic outlook ensures that financial decisions support the organization's mission and contribute to sustainable success. Career growth opportunities. The treasurer role can serve as a stepping stone to higher executive positions, such as Chief Financial Officer, CFO, or Finance Director. With demonstrated success, a treasurer may also transition into general management roles, where financial expertise is highly valued. In the nonprofit sector, experienced treasurers may move into executive director positions, leveraging their financial knowledge to lead the entire organization. Those with deep investment experience might also transition into roles in asset management, banking, or consulting. Conclusion. The job description of a treasurer highlights a role that is critical to the financial stability and strategic direction of an organization. Treasurers are entrusted with managing resources, ensuring compliance, and guiding financial strategy to meet both short-term operational needs and long-term objectives. This position requires a blend of technical expertise, ethical judgment, and the ability to communicate complex financial information clearly. It is a role where precision matters, but so does vision, the capacity to see beyond the current fiscal year and plan for the organization's future. For those with a passion for numbers, a commitment to integrity, and an interest in shaping the economic health of an organization, the treasurer position offers both responsibility and influence. It is a career path that combines the rigor of financial management with the satisfaction of contributing to an organization's ongoing success.